No, Taiscala. Okay, Jehim and Gorge. And also is Nastide again. Shinklasja. Chisha. Pieces of 8. Kerst. Aha. Nish. En nu going.
Damn it, Charles. Those accursed sea storms.
Davenport
If only
down the
we'd been
head.
here earlier.
Jachin
No.
Cushion.
But as Charles would say, another day, another soul to save.
Closer.
These people have no idea what they're up against.
Ja, previousness.
I need some time to be with God.
Okay. Right, I'm your son, Dol van a Taiscala. Oh, Jihacha. Curfew. In hours of darkness, stay in your homes. No discord, no turmoil.
A curfew? But why?
The first resort of every self-respecting oppressor.
Darna. Path to the meeting house is closed by governor's decree. I guess the cemetery is closed. Okay, so it's Kinchak come fastly at Chin.
Esther.
I think the governor said that house stood above the docks.
Alan Greshfield. Ish Cosa. Oh, Pennington.
So, you've done listening to Fairfax's prattling. That man turns a pretty phrase, and does so to the exclusion of all else.
Tell me, Captain, what does your rank signify? Militia?
I maintain the train band. I also anticipate threat. Natives, brigands, the French and other monsters. The curse, though.
The French and
that's a
other
whole
monsters.
Kettle of shite. Not even poor Davenport saw that one
Frankie is Ullevistion Ille. I should need to know like company Frango a Hownan don't nod. A raining Gamasha.
Any thoughts on the origins of the curse?
None useful. I'm a military man. I'm no dark artist.
I'll take that as a gentle jab. You don't believe in my work.
I can tell you're a woman of talent and capability. I respect that. The rest of it, that's your remit, not mine. Me? I'm the old guard. You and your Scots greenhorn, you're the hope. You'd best prevail.
Jehanna Greenhorn. And then you got the...
We'll be back.
I'll be here.
Yeah.
Unless I'm not.
Yeah. Gun Moran Eolus. Maar Green as Njegentach wat gebeurt. Want Kavel en Taiscala Cosa.
Good day, sir.
You'll be Haskell's Banishers, I take it.
Antea Duarte.
Antea
This is Red
Duarte.
McGrath.
Hugh Bachelor. The governor had me prepare the schoolhouse for
Bachelor.
your comfort. It has fallen out of use. Will that be all?
Munvalach.
What can you tell me about the curse?
New Eden is scrutinized by God. Better days lie ahead if his servants remain humble and true.
Okay. Hugh Hafarke mark around the crucible. Hugh.
We've come to help. Be a good and humble servant and tell us about the curse.
Just tell them
The
Antea.
curse comes from the devil, and with all due respect to those present, it falls to the faithful to reject him. You may play with your ghosts and your spirits. We need prayer here. We need God's salvation.
Wel, Gertje, gun duk chia mi gan vala seo. Fel yw'r smensi mi yn sin.
Where
Ushjan?
are the children?
Several died of fever. We could see disaster coming. We thought we'd have to bury them all. We sent the children to safety. We sent them away.
That can't have been easy. It can't be easy now.
No.
An tea gomafa
No, it is
jna.
not.
Le daine nach il uwzach ein ariad.
Farewell, Mr. Bachelor, and you may wish us luck.
Good luck, then, to the both of you.
Ysyn adich. Caran loading ystau yn hyn. Okay. And yeah, place scholar hasha. It's part of town is closed by government decree. Oh, I made potion ile all. Okay. The fridge make it in Thai scholar hasha or ha glass. Can you glue us at Dulach patch now? Let's see, I'm sure. Oh, cheers. The devil's work. Town is filled with sinners. To hell with evil worshippers who do the devil's work. We should have sent them all away. God watches us here as we live willingly with treacherous liars. These chanting demons will not get the likes of me, but they might corrupt the weak-minded. May fervour and prayer bless our souls in these times of trial. Okay.
Whatever's going on here, I suspect it to be a little worse than the devil's work.
Must be. Letting a Scots Catholic walk about unchallenged.
Catholic or a hound. Aww. Just tell him, Shin. Can I wonder who you have? If I can, I'll up enough Catholic or well, skilken, meaning. I guess mad, I'll up enough Catholic. I mean, we thought you should like it. Right. So.
Yes?
Farewell, Mr. Bachelor.
Okay.
Good luck, then, to the both.
Okay, han jag kör fastgårdsjö. Stockholm väl är sån här 4 Henry. Askerlig. Vet jag kan chilshin när säkert rört ska bli fastgårdsjö. Tjusha.
Great.
Tuesday has come.
Sense the tone.
Could you get Ishka Superman? Yeah. Stocks. Yeah. Oh, how many has do you look at? But I get a Catholic card already. Still a man. Thick skin, give a hand.
Thick skin, right? We're sorry to disturb you.
It'll take more than you to disturb me. What do you want?
Che and Triach gehackat show.
What's your role here, if you don't mind me asking?
Lately, I do what needs doing when no one else will, weakened as they are by comfort and the curse. In normal times, I hunt. Now, though, it's cold enough to freeze the nankies off an horse, and the game rots as quick as you can get it home. You can't eat a ghost, can't skin it, can't sell it, so what would be the use?
Inchnoch. I mean, so you go Ridkin Inchnoch and a hen. Gertrude Mien. Yeah. Ullavision agus fame. Mad. And I could just go look and ha fame own. Ek Ullavish. Gertrude Gere. Ullavish. Vora hound. Marna. Jay Hunter and a dune. agus ha bu fein written asta. Ach an beach sin can't eat a ghost, can't skin it, can't sell it, what be the use? Ínsnach. Evelio an dúl fa gal.
I take it you intend to leave town.
Bloody right I do. New Eden is dying and anyone who stays is dead or deranged.
Na chéal dóchas sa bíán.
There's no hope for New Eden then?
Not till the weather changes, and it don't look like changing.
An facu na dönar.
Will you go alone?
I'll take my sister and anyone else who wishes. You may come too if you wish. You look like you can handle yourself.
Agus mun bhealach.
So, the curse. What do you think is going on?
I think nothing much about it. I think folk sickened and the crops failed. I think folk went mad. And I know we found the Reverend dead.
Mun governor. Ghàidhlig governor.
What of the governor? Anything I should know?
That useless
Real
clapwagger.
at that.
With Davenport dead, godly folk look to be led. Fairfax Askell couldn't be happier. I pity he'll get 'em all killed.
Mun skipper.
What of the captain?
Mun hapcha.
Now there's a man of worth. Without Saul Pennington, there'd be no town left at all. These last months have been hard on him. I hope his mettle holds. If I had my way, he'd be coming with us. I don't give a rat's knacks for loyalty. The captain does.
Martian lad.
Well then, thank you for your help.
Bianach lad, I suppose.
Aye.
It's my line, sure. Right. Cavel Esther. Checking anyhow. Tooth fungus of this Pàirt.
You'll be the Banishers then? Come too late. I'm sorry. But
Ban
if poor
Éireann.
Minister Davenport mentioned your names, I have forgotten them.
Ante Duarte. This fellow here is Red McGrath.
Of course. I'm Lisbeth O'Hara. The minister said you'd have questions. Well?
Einige sin mun bhealach.
Governor Haskell told us of the curse. I'd like to understand what it is and from where it came.
While I'll not speak ill of my neighbours, someone must have let the evil in.
The Crucible.
A name might help.
I'll not poison my parish with loose chatter. Besides, I have no name to give you.
Jay Sharsha Driach Gahakatani Heach.
What are you doing out here? Most people seem to stay indoors.
Since you ask, I came to town to buy a remedy for Mistress Fitcher. My sister has a sore leg. The salve eases her discomfort. We have a small farm some miles from here. And yes, the curse sits there too.
Mistress Fitcher. So, cool, Isha. Next, Jamie and
Did you know
Charlotte.
Charles Davenport?
Of course I knew the minister. My sister and I attended all his services, and grateful we were too. He was the moral foundation stone of the colony. His poor widow. She must be bereft.
You may have your time back, with my thanks.
Well, thank the Lord for that.
Oh, fishing car. Me vocal. Cushion. Oh, no, just in chocolate. Okay. Esther.
hair. Red.
A mesk gaartje.
Come in. I've barely slept for fear you would not come. I'm at a loss. Would God even allow me to drag you into these dark times?
Esther, you're not alone now. We're here.
I'm so sorry we didn't get here on time. Truly.
I know. Charles kept saying it. Have faith. They will come. If only he had kept his faith himself.
What happened to him?
Poor Charles. Just one more victim of the curse of New Eden. You know how he is. Was. Restless. Impatient. It's not that he gave up on you, his friends, but that he could wait no more. I believe he tried to lift the curse. I too have questions, but I have no answers. Nor do I now have a husband.
Jamie and Haskell.
What can you tell me about the esteemed Governor Haskell?
Fairfax Haskell is well read and educated, but at times his back can be too stiff. He shares Charles's interest in the unknown, but his passion seems less than practical. He's an academic.
Still, good to know our patron has some understanding of our work.
Academic, huh?
We met the captain too, along with the huntress, Thickskin. Do you know them?
I find Thickskin Newsmith's manner a little frightening, but I think she has a good heart. A fine hunter by all accounts. Captain Pennington comes with a reputation for soldiering. He comports himself with a wry dignity, but I suspect that beneath it all, he's just sad. Charles thought so too.
He's just a loser.
There are wounds beneath Saul Pennington's armor, he said, that time and God have not yet healed.
Inchinach. Okay. Rhythm Colach Ron
How
Valach.
were things, before all this?
Before the curse? It was a busy and exciting time. Charles immersed himself in the community here. He had a hand in everything. The people came to rely on him. I'm sure they look to someone else now, but I can't imagine it's the same.
El Cal. Is there anything we should know? Vel she and Aun Vel Korak in Violach. I shouldn't really can pure lachal. Vel Fisoch Akatrain.
Is there anything we should know about?
Lord, deliver me, for I cannot endure this. I cannot endure it, and Charles does not deserve it.
Anything at all, Esther. Please.
I have felt Charles present about the house. His ghost lingers. He needs help.
If he's here, I promise I will know no rest until he has his.
You can count on us.
We'll start with the house.
Charles's papers are gathered in his office. Take what you need.
Thank you, Esther.
We'll take a look around, if that's all right.